Birthday greetings from the Carmelite sisters. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Your language. Sa matulang taon, sa matulang taon, sa matulang, sa matulang, sa matulang taon. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. God bless and good health always, and more birthdays to come from my family. Also to Jam Jam.
Happy birthday po, tita. Sana po maging okay po kayo dyan. God bless po and happy birthday. Best wishes always.
Happy birthday, Dairo B. I'm wishing you good health, always peace of mind and strength sa imong everyday's life diya sa US of A. May your work continue to go smoothly and may your home always be filled with love and joy with your family. Unta maabot ang time nga makaulit na sa mo diri sa Pilipinas kaya makauban ta balik. Magbanding-banding o mag-happy-happy together. Enjoy your special day. May God bless you more and keep safe always. Manong Kings love you always.
Welcome home, Dai. I want to greet you a happy birthday. And I wish more birthdays to come. And good health with your family too. And see you. I miss you so much. I love you.
Hi girl, kumusta? Happy birthday. May God bless you always and enjoy your special day with your loved ones and friends. Bye.
Hiya! Happy golden birthday! Stay young and beautiful! See you soon!
Happy birthday, Dai! Many more birthdays to come. Keep safe always. We wish you all the best.
Happy birthday!
Happy 50th birthday, sis.
Happy 50th birthday, Dai.
Happy 50th birthday! Yeah! From Maryland with love! Yeah!
Hi, Dairo B. Happy birthday, Dai. May God bless you more and always. Let's sing, Eli. Go. Happy birthday, Tita Ruby. Happy birthday, Tita Ruby. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Ruby. Okay, blow. Good job, baby.
Happy birthday, Ruby.
Hi, and happy birthday from Remy. Best wishes.
Hello, Dai, Ruby. Happy birthday. Ilang taon ka na, Dai? Okay lang kami dito. Tingnan mo, masaya kami kahit paano. Dumalaw sila ni Marla at saka si Jocelyn, pati yung dalawang kids. Andito si uncle mo, oh. Ayan mo. Sabihin mo nga, happy birthday, Dai.
Happy birthday!
Hindi, Ruby. Happy birthday, Dai. Kumusta ka na? Pamasko ko, Dai pala, Dai. Pamasko ko. Happy 50th birthday, Dai.
Happy 50th birthday, Dai. God bless.